Welcome back to Las Vegas Now. As we look back on 2022, a lot happened in the world of real estate, and Las Vegas Real Estate Now, the sponsors of this segment, are helping us break it all down. So joining us today, we have Harvey Blankfeld. Harvey, so great to see you.
Great to be back. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here. A lot to talk about. 2022 was a big year. How would you describe it overall?
It was a crazy year because the ship turned dramatically from a strong seller's market to a more neutral market and buyer's market. I brought a chart, a little line graph with me. I don't know if we can look at that, and I can show you guys that basically what happened. The yellow line represents our inventory, which you can see at the beginning was very low and got high. But many people don't know, recently it's actually dropped a little bit. The blue line is the median price, which stayed between 430 and 480. It's actually lower than it was a year ago.
Okay.
And the orange line represents the activity we've had every month. Now, you can see it's been dropping off. The last month was one of the least amount of activity we've had in a long time in terms of single-family homes here in the Valley.
Wow, yeah, lots of ups and downs to look at on that graph here.
Yeah.
And are we going to see something similar as we head into the new year? What are your predictions?
Well, the predictions come from a variety of sources, but mortgage rates have a big impact on what's going to happen in real estate, obviously, and interest rates in the economy in general. There's lots of people out there who are predicting that mortgage rates have seen their peak, and we probably see them come off of their numbers a little bit. I think that's important to note, and as the year progresses, the economy improves, I believe housing will also jump back a little bit. But the thing is that I'm hearing a lot now is buyers are being told it's a horrible time to buy. And for some buyers, that's true. It may not be the best time to buy. But everyone's different and unique. And so I want buyers out there to not ignore the fact that right now they do have opportunities. And your interest rate may be higher now, but you can always change it later. That's really important to note. Own the home, and then you can always change that rate a little bit later. Maybe the rates are going to come down. Everyone's predicting they will.
Yeah, I think everyone goes through that phase of should I buy, should I sell when the market's hot? Should you just sell to sell? It's a kind of this back and forth of what to do.
Yeah, how many times have people said, gee, I wish I would have. I wish I would have. I wish I would have. You know, think about that. And if you're somebody who doesn't own right now, really you got to buy. I mean, because if you're renting, that's 100% interest. I mean, so you can't complain about interest rates too much if you're renting. Think about buying. If you want to talk to me, I won't convince you to buy right now, but I will help you develop a plan to maybe buy sometime next year.
Yeah, and do you think that's really helpful to just start asking those questions and getting all those answers before you dive into anything?
Clearly, and if you have a good trusted realtor, by all means use that as a resource. If you don't, call me. I'm happy to help your listeners. Happy to.
Well, Harvey, thank you so much for being here. You always have so much helpful information for us, and we appreciate it. And you're our crystal ball into 2023.
Well, thank you. Hey, Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy Hanukkah, and happy Festivus to the rest of us.
Thank you. Same to you, Harvey, and thank you again to Las Vegas Real Estate Now for sponsoring this segment. You can call 702-203-1165 or visit lvrealestateradio.com for more. Las Vegas Now will be right back.